your mobile EA so that it can trade. We wanna avoid this thing. My robot is online, it's offline, my robot is not working. Guys, you need to understand RoboTrader is not a robot, it's a platform. It's a platform that convert your PC robot into a mobile robot. Please understand that, because after hosting, you're gonna say, hey, it's not working, it's not working, hey, your system is not working, and you start even insulting the admin. So understand that, get that into your mind that I'm trying to convert my PC into my mobile robot. So it's very important. When you are here on a dashboard, you simply go to help. When you're on a help, you can click here. It will show you how to host your robot. So also this video is just the same thing. So you come here to app and script. When you're on the app and script, they say go to tools, option, URLs. You have to add these two URL. So the first thing that you're going to do is to download your scripts. So here are your scripts downloaded. So when you go to your file, you have to locate them to your file. In this case, on my side is sitting on downloads. So you go to extract. You have to extract this file. It's very important to extract it. And then when you extract it, you're gonna see two scripts. Okay, here we go. So we can just go back. Here we go. You double click here, then you will see RoboTrader file. You're gonna see RoboTrader PV4, RoboTrader PV4. It's PV5, where 5 and 4. 5 is for MT5, 4 is for MT4. So now I'm gonna show you what we are trying to solve in this case. So we're gonna copy the MT5 one. So I'm gonna show you how to link your bot, and here now is the problem. Let's press play. When you press play so that your bot can trade, after you set up everything, you can see the problem we're having is that the server is offline. So here we are trying to solve the issue of offline server. Let me show you first thing that you can do. So understand the problem we're gonna have is that when you press play here, you will see your robot, it's offline, meaning that it's not ready to trade, it's not hosted. So this also tells your client that now the time is not time to trade. So it's very important. So now when you're on a profile, you can go to your EA. When you're on the EA, then you can go to here you can go to Bitcoin. You can see now is saying online, meaning that your robot is ready to trade. If you put take profit, you put stop loss, and then maybe you say buy, right? Somehow the robot has to respond. Let's check. So now you can see, because you pressed buy, the robot is buying. This is how you execute a trade when you are online. It's very important to understand that. So we're gonna go to the second method that you can use. So means everything is going well, we are good. So when we are done with that, so now let's go to host on MT5. This is very important, guys. What we are hosting here, we're hosting RoboTrader script, and then your robot is the one that have to execute the trade. So when you have copied the file, when you're on the file, you have to copy the file. You copy this file. And then once you copy this file, you come to your MT5 or MT4, you go to data folder, you open data folder file. When you are here, you go to MQ-L5, you go to expect, and then you paste your file. You paste your file, and then here we have the file. We can go to our expert advisors, we refresh it. Then now you can see RoboTrader, and you can see that here it's offline. Now what you need to do first is to first, what you need to do first is to come to tools. You go to options. You remember those two URLs. Let me show you the URLs. So you remember these two URLs. You have to copy these two URLs. Once you have copied them, you have to paste both of them here. Once you are done with that, it's fine. We go back to our portal. We go back to our portal. We go to manage EA. We open our EA. We need this code. We copy this code. Once we have copied the code, we come here. So now make sure that you place it on the pair which you will never use, which you never need to trade. So when we are here on this pair, what we are going to do, we are going to attach RoboTrader script. And then once we attach it like this, and then we press OK. Once you press OK, you can see the magic happened. Your robot is online, meaning that it's ready to trade. So let's say we want to trade Bitcoin. We want to trade Bitcoin, and then you can see on the symbol, the robot is ready to trade Bitcoin, right? So which means you're going to put a robot here. For example, just if I put a robot, it's gonna mess up things. For example, let's put this step index robot. Okay, let's put it. We put step index robot. Here we go. This is just one of the robots that we once created. When this robot take trade, it has to take trade on your app, meaning that it successfully converted your PC robot into a mobile robot. And make sure that algo trading is on. I forgot this step. Algo trading is on. And then now when